In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export data in Pipedrive. We'll walk through how to export records like leads, deals, people, or organizations using the list view and filters, so you only download exactly what you need. I'll talk you through each step on screen, and you can pause or rewind at any time if you want to follow along in your own account. First, start by deciding which type of data you want to export. At the top of your Pipedrive account, you'll see different tabs such as leads, deals, people, and organizations. Click into the one that contains the information you want. For example, if you're trying to back up all your active deals or analyze them in a spreadsheet, head into the Deals tab. If you want contact details, go into People or Organizations instead. Once you're in the right area, you'll want to switch to the List view. Look towards the top left of the screen for the list icon. When you click that, Pipedrive will change from the usual pipeline or card-style layout into a table-style view with rows and columns. This list view is important because it's the one that allows you to export data. Next, it's time to narrow down exactly which records you want. At the top of the list view, find the filter options. Filters let you avoid exporting everything and instead focus on a specific segment, like only open deals, leads created this month, or contacts from a certain region. Choose an existing filter if you already have one set up, or create a new filter that matches your criteria. Take a second to confirm the filtered list on screen shows only what you actually want to download. With your filter applied, look to the top right corner of the list view for the three dots icon, often labeled as More. Click on that, and in the menu that appears, select Export Filter Results. This tells Pipedrive to prepare a file based only on what you're currently seeing under that filter. You'll now be asked to choose a format. Typically, you'll see options like Excel with the .xlsx extension or CSV. Choose Excel if you plan to open the file directly in Spreadsheet Tools and keep formatting simple. Choose CSV if you want a more universal format for importing into other systems or tools. After selecting the format, click Export. Pipedrive will process the request, and once it's ready, you'll see the option to download. Click Download, save the file to your computer, and you're done.